Is SurePayroll worth it? Well, here's our honest payroll software review. Running a small business is a marathon, not a sprint, and one of the biggest hurdles you'll face is payroll. Today we'll be doing a deep dive into SurePayroll. Is this the best budget-friendly savior for small businesses, or are you better off with bigger names? We're going to look at the actual interface, the hidden pricing plans, and exactly what you get for your money. Also, if you want to try SurePayroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get up to 6 months free and start managing payroll for your business easily. The dashboard. Now, when you first open SurePayroll, the interface is built for high-speed utility and focus entirely on the Run Payroll button. Right on the home screen dashboard, you'll see your next pay date and a status bar showing your progress in the current cycle. Also on the dashboard, you have your main navigation menu. You have your payroll, which is your command center for starting and approving runs, your employees, where you manage your team, contractors, and others. And you have the reports. This is a data hub for your payroll summary and tax liability. And also you have your settings. This is where you connect your bank account and sync accounting software. Now, one of the big selling points of SurePayroll is the streamlined workflow. Since you're likely looking for a way to get out of spreadsheets and into a more automated system, let's break down exactly how the software handles a standard pay run. It's built on a proprietary 3-step logic design to minimize user error. First, you have the data entry phase. When you initiate a pay run, the system pulls up your active employee roster. For your salaried staff, the software automatically pre-fills their standard pay, so you don't have to touch anything. For hourly workers, the interface provides dedicated input fields where you simply enter the hours worked for that period. What's great here is the flexibility. The dashboard allows you to toggle additional columns for things like overtime, sick pay, or vacation time on the fly, thus ensuring that every variable is captured before you move forward. Next is the calculation and preview phase. Once you click continue, the software's engine takes over. It calculates gross to net pay in real time, factoring in federal, state, and local withholdings based on the most current tax tables. What you're looking for here is the total cash requirement. This is a transparent, high-level summary that shows you exactly how much of all-in cash that will be debited from your business bank account. It includes the net pay for your team, plus all the employer and employee tax liabilities, so there are never any surprises on your bank statement. And finally, you have the approval and distribution phase. After you've double-checked the numbers in the preview, you can hit the approve button. This single action triggers the entire distribution engine. SurePayroll handles the direct deposits to your employees' accounts, and if you're on the full service plan, they simultaneously set aside the tax funds to be paid to the government on your behalf. You'll receive an immediate email confirmation for your record, and your payroll for the period is officially complete. Now, with any service, we need to ask the question if it's going to match with your pricing budget. Now, SurePayroll offers two main paths for small businesses. You have the small business and the household plan. For the small business, it starts at $29 per month plus $7 plus employee. Here you get to enjoy unlimited payroll runs and one predictable price, which is what we've mentioned. And then when it comes to the household, you get to start at $39 per month, and this includes one employee. Now, it is possible to stumble across the no tax filing plan. This is the hidden plan for DIYers or those with a dedicated accountant. The plan comes at around $19 plus $4 per employee. With this plan, you get exactly the same interface and unlimited payroll runs. Well, what's the catch? It calculates the taxes, but it does not send the money to the government. You take the report and handle the deposit yourself. One of the standout features of SurePayroll is its robust mobile capability. Unlike some competitors that offer light versions of their software on mobile, the SurePayroll mobile app for iOS and Android is a full-featured powerhouse. You can literally complete the entire 3-step payroll process while standing in line for coffee. The app uses biometric security like Face ID or fingerprint scanning. All of this to ensure your sensitive financial data is protected. For employees, the mobile experience is equally smooth. They can log into the employee mobile portal to view their digital pay stubs, check their year-to-date earnings, and even download their W-2s directly to their phones. This mobile-first approach is a game changer for business owners who aren't tethered to a desk, thus allowing you to manage your team's compensation from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try SurePayroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get 6 months free and start managing payroll for your business. While SurePayroll is famous for its low-cost payroll, it's important to realize it's backed by paychecks, which means you have access to big company benefits. Through the Services tab in your dashboard, you can integrate pay-as-you-go workers' compensation. This is huge for cash flow because instead of paying a massive estimated premium at the start of the year, your insurance premiums are calculated and dedicated in real time based on your actual payroll runs. Additionally, they offer integrated 401k retirement plans and health insurance administration. If you're looking to scale, these add-ons allow you to offer a competitive benefits package without having to switch to a more expensive HR platform. They even handle new hire reporting automatically, sending the required info to the state every time you add a new team member, which keeps you compliant without you ever having to lift a finger. Now, as with any service, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons, and starting with the pros, why users choose SurePayroll. Speed and simplicity. The 3-step process isn't just marketing, it really is that fast for simple teams. Auto payroll. If your team is all salaried, you can toggle auto payroll on and the system runs itself in the background. Accounting integrations. It synchronizes natively with QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Sage 50. Onboarding support. They offer free onboarding assistance where a specialist helps you set up your tax IDs and employee data. Now here are the cons. What to watch out for. Support wait times. While the support is US-based, users still report long hold times during peak tax seasons. Extra fees. Watch for the add-ons. Multi-state filings, such as if your employees live in a different state, adds an extra $9 per month. And year-end W-2 1099 filling usually carries a separate base fee. Visual interface. It looks a bit dated. It's functional, but it lacks the sleek visual analytics of higher-priced platforms such as Rippling. In conclusion, SurePayroll isn't the fanciest software in the market, but it is one of the most reliable and affordable. It takes the most stressful part of owning a business, tax compliance, and turns it into a background process. If you want a platform that just works without the bloat of a massive HR system, this is the one. Also, if you want to try SurePayroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get 6 months free and start managing payroll for your business easily. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.